Hey guys, Justin Davis with Honest Abe Roofing here. So today we got a phone call from a customer who said, with all this rain that we've been having, he wanted us to come out and do one of our free roof inspections just to make sure that everything was all good with his roof. So I'm heading that direction, but we'll take a look. Yeah, so I'm obviously not going this way, but that's okay. We'll figure out a way. You know, it's kind of like how we do our roofs. No matter what problem you have with your roof, we'll figure out a way of fixing it. And the best part is, we back all of our new roofs up with a lifetime guarantee. So if you ever have any troubles again, we take care of it, no matter what it takes. It's kind of like that saying about the Postal Service, right? We'll get there. We'll figure it out. So give us a call today or click the button below and we'll schedule your free inspection. And I'll come on out to your house. We'll see what we can do to help you out.